Back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. And we'll take a look at XRP over here on the 4-hour time frame going back to July 5th. And like I said in all my previous videos, I do think that the macro bottom is in over here at 38 cent, right over here. And then after having this bottom over here, we have a 5-wave move to the upside to complete your wave 1. So your subwave 1 of your larger third wave is complete. Then we came down for an A, B, C correction down towards the 70.2 to 78.6% fib. As you guys can see, we came down over here and then saw a rapid incline to the upside towards this horizontal resistance over here, or you could say diagonal resistance, forming the neckline of our bullish inverted head and shoulders. This would be your left shoulder right over here. This would be your head, and then you have your right shoulder right over here before we have continuation. Now, we can only confirm that we're going to have continuation if we get a 4-hour close above 0.6115 at the 78.6% fib. So all I did to find these fib resistances over here, I just took a fib from this high over here down to this low, and you want to look at the 786 on the logarithmic scale. If XRP gets a 4-hour closure above this level over here, then it's likely this ABC correction is done, and then we're going to come up for our subwave 3 of 3. Yeah, subwave 3 of 3. And the bearish scenario, it's not that bearish because it does turn out to be bullish at the end. The bearish scenario would be that we would come here and break out towards any of these fibs and then see a decline and have one more flush down, likely towards the 0.47 to 0.48 region, and then see a nice pop up in the price from there. So either scenario is bullish. I do think that we're going to see a very nice pop up very soon, and going to the hourly time frame, we actually are breaking above this small downtrend over here that we have. Okay, it's little wedge that we have going on over here, and we also have some bullish divergence. Okay, you see how we're making consecutive lower lows over here, but making consecutive higher lows on the price. So it looks like we are going to break out of this wedge right now and come up towards any of these fibs. Okay, but as we come up to these fibs over here, you must be cautious because there is a possibility, depending on Bitcoin's price action, right, that we come down for a little bit of a retrace towards the lower fibs for a deeper flush and manipulation before we continue on higher. Okay, now the wave count on this would be that we have the bullish scenario would be that we have our 5 up here for wave 1, 3 down for your wave 2. This is another 5 up for a wave 1 of 3. Come down in a 3, 3, 5 Elliott wave flat pattern for your ABC correction. And now we're going to start our next move to the upside. Okay? You see how many times we've used this support? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6, 7. Okay, so this support over here at 0.5489 is a very strong structural support here on XRP. Okay, so there is a very big possibility that the correction could be over, but that'll be confirmed once we get a 4-hour closure above 0.6115 on the 4-hour time frame. If not, then it's likely we'll have a deeper flush towards the lower fibs, and instead of this being a wave 2, it would look like it would just be a WXY correction. So you have your 3 down in your W, 3 up in your X, and then another 3 down in your Y. Okay, and then we would see a nice pop up from there. Either way is bullish. And remember, like I said in my other videos, I do think that the macro bottom is in, right? We have our 5 up going back to January 2023 in the form of a bullish ascending wedge or a leading diagonal. And then we have a WXY correction lasting over 1 year. And now we're within our third wave to the upside. We're just grinding out the subwaves of that third wave. And I do think that the next target, or the next intermediate target, would be at the $1.10 to $1.30 region. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you want to stay updated with the small and high time frame wave count on XRP, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.